how to switch camera on Blackmagic. So if you want to use the rear camera or you want to use the front camera on the Blackmagic camera app on your iPhone or Android, then you need to manually switch the camera yourself. So if none of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to switch camera on Blackmagic camera, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera app on your phone. Then once you open the Blackmagic camera app, then you're going to see it default to the rear camera. Now to change from rear to the front camera, all you just need to do is locate lens and then click on it. Now once you select the lens, under lens, come here and click on front, and then you should see the camera switch from the back camera to your front camera. So like this, you see that? Then you can come here, zoom in or zoom out, zoom in or zoom out, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to change or switch camera on Blackmagic camera from back camera to front camera or from front camera to back camera. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.